Hello YouTube, this is Mira Skin. Welcome back to my channel. So for now, I'm just done creating another video, and this is my look after the glam makeup I have been making here in YouTube. So I'm filming this one to just tell you guys how much I love you, and I would want to thank you for all the support, for all the love and the support that you have been showing me for the past month. I just would want to tell you that I have reached 400 subscribers and it's still counting. So for those who haven't subscribed yet, you can go ahead and click the like button and then subscribe, and then just enjoy. For those who have subscribed, for those na palaging nagko-comment sa akin with regards to the videos I'm creating, thank you so much. I hope you still continue to support me, and don't worry, I promise that I will give you better qualities and you know, the lightings, the camera quality, because for now I'm still using my phone, and the light of the fluorescent lamp. So yeah, hopefully in the next few months marami pa akong matututunan with regards to editing videos. So yeah, thank you very much guys. I love you all. Ciao.